As a business owner, you want your customers to be assured they are on an authentic and safe website. In order to do this, you need a certificate from a certificate authority to be installed. Many options for this assurance can be expensive, especially for small business owners. However, I have good news. There is a free, automated, and open certificate authority available from Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt is a certificate authority that provides free domain validation SSL certificates to the public using an automated process. It's compatible with many different platforms. Let's Encrypt certificate configuration is now possible using the web user interface on Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, firmware version 2.5 and higher. It can now be configured using either the command line or the web user interface. A domain validated certificate from Let's Encrypt is automatically obtained and renewed by CBD. Let's Encrypt certificates are valid for 90 days. The dashboard automatically renews a certificate from Let's Encrypt every 60 days. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to use Let's Encrypt certificates with Cisco Business Dashboard. Before I dig in, some prerequisites need to be fulfilled for this function to work properly. You need a publicly resolvable, fully qualified domain name for the dashboard. The dashboard's web server must be accessible from the internet so that the Let's Encrypt service can connect to the dashboard web server and verify ownership of the hostname. Public domain names must be resolved by the dashboard. Since CBD can be configured to restrict access to the web server, make sure that filters don't prevent Let's Encrypt from doing its validation process. Now that all that's confirmed, log into your Cisco Business Dashboard. Enter the username and password, and then click the Login button. On the dashboard, navigate to the System menu and click on the certificate. Click the Info icon to confirm the dashboard is running a minimum of firmware version 2.5. On the certificate page, navigate to the Update Certificate tab. Select the Let's Encrypt certificate checkbox. Please note that the checkbox to enable Let's Encrypt for CBD is unchecked by default. Below that, there's a message. There is no Let's Encrypt certificate installed, meaning there is no certificate installed for this instance of CBD at this point. Now, to enable Let's Encrypt, click this checkbox. Next, specify the hostname with the domain. For example, I will enter dashboard.ddns.net here. It'll be different for you based on the name you choose. Using this plus button, more entries can be added, and one or more fully qualified domain names can be specified. However, keep in mind that all names listed must resolve to the public IP address of the dashboard server. After that, enter the email address of the individual who will be responsible for either maintaining the CBD deployment or for maintaining the installed certificate. This email address may be used for urgent renewal or security notices. Lastly, put a check in the box to accept the terms of service and optionally share the email address with the Electronic Frontier Foundation. Finally, click on the Get Certificate button. You can see the notification on the top of the screen that states Updated Certificate Successfully. Great, the certificate is installed. Refresh the browser and navigate to the Update Certificate tab, and then Let's Encrypt Certificate. Here, you can see that for the domain dashboard.ddns.net, the certificate is installed. The certificate expiration date shows as well. The certificate can be renewed by clicking Get Certificate or forcing the renewal by clicking the Force Renewal button. Your users will now have the reassurance that you are a legitimate website they can explore with confidence, and you didn't have to break the bank. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.